everyone, my name is Aastha and you're watching my channel Art with Aastha. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bridge style bracelet out of rubber bands. So let's start. For the bracelet, you will need these items. Start by taking any one color and put it in this pattern. After completing, it will look like this. Then take another color, green, and do it like this. Then your pattern will look like this. Then choose another color, white, and from the center put white like this. Your pattern will look like this. Then flip it over like this and choose any one color, like black will be the base color. Put the black ones in a triangular pattern like this. Complete the pattern like this. Do not put a rubber band here as it should remain empty. Then take your tool and from underneath the black part, take a color or a rubber band and place it like this. Then underneath and like this one, and put it like this. Take the underneath one, put it like this. Then again take it underneath to the pink and like this. Go to the bottom, take the pink and like this. Follow this pattern and until it is here. After finishing the pattern, it will look like this. Then you pick up this and hold it and remove this band. It will look like this. So the band here is removed. Again, do that to the other two. Pick it up, hold it, remove, and remove. Put it on. Put it on again. Then pick it up, remove and put it again. After removing the bands, it will look like this. Then you take this, again lift it and put in the center one like this and push it down. Then here also put in the center and push it down. Then you take your hook and put it inside the rubber bands like this and hold it. Take another rubber band, hold it like this and pull it out like this. Hook it on like this. Then you remove the rubber bands from the hook and then make a knot like this. Then take a S-clip and put it right here like this. Then remove it like this. You will also need the help of a hook for removing it. Remove it like this. It will look like this. Then you will take 3 rubber bands and put them in a crisscross pattern like this. Then you will take this part and you will attach it like this. Then you take this, keep it here, go underneath, get the pink, this, so it will look like this, so remove it. Keep it on your 2 fingers like this, and then take this, your S-clip, and clip it on like this. So your bracelet is finished. Thanks for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye!